Hello everyone, you're welcome back to this channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you on how you can actually learn high income skills for free, all right, with certificate. Okay, the reason why your business has not been growing is because you have not learned the actual knowledge that you actually need to have, or the skills that you need to acquire to boost your business. All right, so if you are new to this channel, my name is Abdul Wahab, and what I do in this channel is to actually show you the way in which you can actually grow your business and make consistent income out of it. All right, so if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video like this, you will be notified first. Okay, so in this video right now, so I'm going to walk you through on how you can actually learn high income skills for free, all right, without paying a dime for it. And you can also get your certificate for free from this very website that I'm going to walk you through. That is, if you are a newbie or if you don't have any capital to start paying for courses, you can start with this. You start with their fundamental and grow with it, and everything is absolutely free. All right, okay, so without wasting much of our time, let's go to my browser right now. Let me show you the website that you can actually use to do this every single day for free. All right. All right, so right now I'm on my browser, so and I'm going to walk you through on this. All right, so the website that we're going to be using is classcentral.com. All right, so once you're on this website, so you click on go. Right, so let's allow it to open. So this is the website that we're going to be using to learn these courses for free. All right, so we have a lot of courses here that you can actually learn from. All right, okay, so now once you're here, just scroll around this. Then okay, so let's go to desktop view to get it right. All right, so you can just search for any course that you actually want to learn here. All right, okay, so you can just search on, let's say, digital marketing. So digital marketing, so let's search for it. So once you search for it, you can see many courses will come up, so you can select on free courses, then with free certificates, right? So once you do this, you see that all the courses will be will be out, right? So you can actually see them, they are free. You can learn them for free and with free certificates here. All right, okay, so you can actually see, starting from fundamentals of digital marketing. So any skills that you actually want to acquire, so you can come to this website and search it like this, then click on it, register, and start learning for free. All right, so once you are done, you are going to have your own certificate. All right, you can actually see, if we keep on scrolling down, you see a lot of courses on digital marketing. Okay, so ranging from the fundamental, if you are a newbie, you can start from this fundamental for you to grab the basic knowledge first before you move to any one of these. This is digital marketing. All right, you can actually see this digital marketing. All right, you can see different one. This is Google Analytics for beginners. So once you're done, you go through all this one. So, and they are the sweetest part of it is they are video guides, practical guides. Okay, you can actually see this is analytics, web analytics, how you can analyze website. All right, so finance and accounting. You can see email marketing courses here, contextual marketing. All right, so if you have all these, your business will move to the next level. All right, you can see this is advanced Google Analytics. All right, this is Google Analytics for power users, inbound marketing course. This is social media marketing, and this is how you can measure your marketing with Google Analytics. All right, so there are a lot of courses here. If you're also a web designer, just come to this search box and search for any skills that you actually want to learn. All right, so and this is absolutely free, and you get this certificate for free. All right, so I hope this video is helpful. All right, so if you find it helpful, make sure you click the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video like this, you will be notified first. All right, if there is any video you also want me to do, make sure you drop it on the comment section of this video right now so that I will help you to do it. All right, if you're also facing any challenges registering on this website, make sure you let me know so that I can put you through. All right, so I remain Abdul Wahab. See you in my next video.